Hello students, today we discuss the next example in mechanical tissue distributions in Cypress stem. This is the diagrammatic presentations of these tissues in the Cypress stem. As you know, in the different mechanical tissue system shows the eye girdles type of mechanical tissue distribution. The cypress plants, mostly it plants belongs to the family Poaceae or Gramineaceae family. That means it is the one type of grass. So this comes under the family Poaceae or Gramineaceae. So this is the grass. So these plants will grow in mostly the muddy places, and this shows well defined the mechanical tissue system. So as you know, in the cypress plant, in the stem of cypress, each vascular bundle is surrounded by the mechanical tissue, and these the sclerenchymatous patches mostly these are present at the end of the vascular bundle. So the distributions of the mechanical tissues is in the form of eye-shaped girdle, that is inflexicon, and the in eye-shaped girdles the flages are formed by the sclerenchymatous patches, and web is formed by the vascular bundles, and they collectively forms the eye-shaped girdles. So you've seen in this figure the cellular presentations of the transverse sections of the cypress stem. In that, the outer layer is the epidermis, and this epidermis is covered by the thick layers of the cuticle. After this epidermis, the myrisone cells or the palisades, 2 to 3 layers of the palisade cells. In that palisade cells, the myrisone patches or the cells of the myrisone are the scattered. Then next to the palisade layer there is the endodermis. So endodermis again it is single layered. Then there is the cortex region. In that there is some these sclerenchymatous patches are there, and then next to this layer there is the phloem region. This phloem, there's at the outer side primary phloems are there, and at the inner side secondary phloems are there. In next to the phloem region, the cambium ring is in the stem. Then next to the cambium, these the secondary woods are there. In that some medullary rays are also there. Then next to these layers the primary xylems are present, and next below this xylem layer the pith regions are there. So these different types of these cells are present in these transverse sections, and there is the well developed mechanical tissue system. So in that these xylem and phloem, these are this xylem and phloem layer is forms, or the xylem and phloem or the vascular bundles, they are forms the wave of this mechanical tissue system, and the above that those are sclerenchymatous patches are there. So these sclerenchymatous patches they form the wave. That means they are the sleeping lines of that eye girdle. So these vascular bundles they forms wave, and sclerenchymatous patches they form the flages. So this type of well developed mechanical tissue systems are observed in the transverse sections of the cypress stem, and the cypress is from Poaceae family. It is the member of grasses, and these are mostly growing in the muddy or the muddy places. So this is about the cypress stem. In that, the well defined the mechanical tissue systems are observed. In that, these vascular bundles are always is surrounded by this mechanical tissue. That means they are present in the section or in surrounding these vascular bundle. The sclerenchymatous patches are there, and these between these vascular bundles and sclerenchymatous patches, the eye girdles are formed. So this is the fourth example in mechanical tissue distribution, that is the cypress stem.